Afternoon. I am M. Lavanya from Sri Sarada College for Women. Its action has helped me to improve myself in my day-to-day programming skill. It gives me a platform to learn Python, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and CV. In this, I am presenting a presentation on face recognition based attendance system. And my batchmates are M. Abhirami, L. Jayashree, A. Madhupriya, and R. Pavitra. Moving to the next slide, the outline of this presentation are abstract, problem statement, proposed solution, system architecture, system deployment approach, future scope, conclusion, and references. Moving to the next slide, the abstract. In school, colleges, universities, and office, attendance is the important thing. We cannot do a little or run an organization without an attendance. The main goal of this project is to change the manual work to automated system. Moving to the next slide, problem statement. Uh, in manual attendance system, the time duration taken to complete the process is very high and it needs more paperwork and also a human to handle it regularly. So we are using this face recognition system to decrease the manual work. And moving to the next slide, it is a proposed solution. Face recognition. The images are given as an input and a video capturing is used to capture our images to mark an attendance for the represented student. And moving to the next slide, it is system architecture. The system architecture defines how does the project works. First, we are giving an input as an image. Then the images are detected by using various features and filter operations like RGB and getting the wanted information from the images, and it is stored in the face database. Whenever the face is given to the system, it is recognized with the given face database. If the face is presented, the attendance is taken. If the face is not presented in the database, the attendance is not placed. Then the attendance is placed in the attendance database. Moving to the next slide, it is system deployment approach. In this, we are giving the input as an face. The face recognition system captures the images in a live video, and the digital form is converted into an image using feature extractions in the images like eyes, nose, mouth, and various skin tones are taken as in features, and they are used to analyze the face of the given person. Then they are detected using hair cascade algorithm that helps to detect the features, and LPPH, local binary pattern histogram, which recognize the face of the person. These two algorithms are used to identify the faces. And moving to the next slide, here it is the output of the given project. It is the home screen. It has various tabs like create dataset, train dataset, recognize an attendance and the attendance sheet. In create data set, the number of persons are given in it, and then the given data sets are trained using the trained data set. And whenever we are needed to take attendance, we click recognize plus attendance, and the particular attendances are taken. Their databases are stored in the attendance sheet. And moving to the next slide, it is a live demo of an example of a person. In this, we are giving the enrollment number as 1256 and name as Lavanya. When we are clicking the take images, the image of the particular person is taken. And moving to the next slide, the image is taken and it is stored in the face database. And moving to the next slide, after training the data set, we are taking a live attendance demo. In this, whenever we are capturing the face, the particular name of the person is shown and the attendance is marked in the attendance database. And moving to the next slide, it shows the Excel sheet where the database of the attendance are stored. And moving to the next slide, the future scope of this project is to decrease the manual work to attain a automated system for a face recognition attendance system. It is more flexible and can be easily used when more number of students or persons are involving in an organization. And it also reduces the fault that occurs in manual work. And moving to the next slide, conclusion. The facial recognition system reduces the errors that occur in traditional system, and it helps an organization to make accurate method for attendance. Moving to the next slide, it is the references that I have been used in this project. Thank you.